Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. So let's start from addition of fractions. So first we will discuss adding like fractions. So in case of like fraction, the denominator is same, so we can add them easily. So the steps to add the like fractions are: first step we have to add the numerator. In the second step, leave the common denominator same, that is no need to add the denominator. Okay. Third step, we have to write the answer in this way, that is addition of numerator divided by same denominator, that is numerator 1 plus numerator 2 that divided by common denominator. Or we can say that if we have given more than two fractions, in that case what to do, sum of all numerator divided by common denominator. Here is an example. Here we have to add 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Here both are like fraction, that is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 are like fraction, as we know that by watching the denominator. Here the denominator are 4, so we can say that both are like fraction. So we have to add in this way, that is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. You can check with the help of picture also. In the both are, it is divided into 4 equal parts, so we can say that it is like fraction. So in this way we have to add the numerator. Here it is, that is 1 plus 2, it is 1 plus 2, so we get 3 here, so 3 by 4, keeping the denominator same. Clear? In this way you have to add just the numerator. So it is 1 plus 2, it is 3. Okay. Come to second one, addition of fraction, that is second one, unlike fraction, adding unlike fraction. So if we have to add the unlike fractions, first we have to find the equivalent fraction of the given fraction with the same denominator. Then we have to add them as like fraction. Clear? First we have to convert the unlike fraction to like fraction, as you have already discussed in our previous video how to convert. So here the steps are: take the LCM of denominator of the given fraction. Okay, first step we have to take the LCM of denominator. Second step, we have to find the equivalent fraction of both fraction with the LCM as the denominator. Okay, whatever we find LCM in the first step, we have to convert the two fraction into the equivalent fraction having denominator as LCM. In the third step, add them as a like fraction. Okay, we have to add, we got the like fraction, so after that we have to follow the step of like fraction. So come to here is an example, that is 4 by 5 plus 3 by 8. Here is the solution. First we have to take the LCM of denominator. Here it is 5 and 8, so LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 8 5s are 40, so we can say that LCM is 40 here. Next step, we have to convert each fraction having the denominator 40. Okay, so equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 is, what to do, we have to convert this denominator 40. So here I have multiplied 5 8s are 40, so we have to multiply same number on the numerator also. So 4 8s it is 32. Clear? Next step, we have to convert this second number, that is 3 by 8, to the equivalent fraction having denominator same 40. So here 8 5s are 40. I have multiplied 5 in the denominator, so we have to multiply same 5 in the numerator also. 3 5s it is 15. So the two new fractions are 32 by 40 and 15 by 40. Here we got the like fraction of each one. Next step, we have to add them as like fraction. Look at here. So what to do? Just we have to add the numerator. So it is 32 plus 15, it becomes 47. Okay, and that divided by same denominator, that is 40. We can convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction with the help of division. If we divide 47 by 40, okay, we can get the mixed fraction as 1 full 7 by 40. Okay, as 41s are 40, we are getting 7 as the remainder, so we can say that it become 1 full 7 by 40. Clear? Now come to next one, that is addition of mixed fraction. So while you are adding two mixed fraction, first step we have to convert the mixed fraction. Okay, we have to convert them to unlike fraction. After that we have to add them as same as in our previous we had discussed how to add two unlike fraction. We got two unlike fraction and we have to add them as unlike fraction. Okay, by following the same step we can add them as unlike fraction. Now come to subtraction of fractions. How to subtract fractions? First we will discuss subtracting like fraction. So the steps are, first step we have to subtract the small numerator from the bigger one. Okay, we have to subtract bigger numerator to smaller numerator. Leave the common denominator same, as you have already discussed it for addition, so the denominator remain same as both are like fraction. Next step we have to write them as bigger numerator minus smaller numerator that divided by common denominator, that is the same denominator. Okay, so here is an example. Subtract 2 by 4 from 3 by 4. So while you have written here from means we have to subtract second number minus first number. Okay, if we in place of from, if we have written 2, so we have to subtract first number to second number. So it is written from, so we have to subtract second number to first number. So now come to the solution. So we can write the fraction in this way, that is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4, as you have to subtract 2 by 4 from 3 by 4. Okay, next step we have to subtract bigger numerator. Here the bigger numerator is 3, so and smaller numerator is 2, so it becomes 3 minus 2, keeping the denominator same. Okay, 3 minus 2 divided by 4. If we subtract 3 minus 2 we are getting 1, so the new fraction become 1 by 4. Or we can check this one with the help of picture also. Look at here. Here the first picture, this one represent 3 by 4 of the fraction from which we are subtracting 2 by 4 of the fraction. If we remove two fraction, okay, as we are subtracting 3 minus 2, if we remove 2, then one fraction is left. So we can say that the fraction left is 1 by 4. Okay. Now come to subtraction of fraction. Second we will discuss subtracting unlike fractions. So the step to subtract unlike fractions are, first, same as addition of like fraction. Here you have to take the LCM of denominator of the given fraction. Second step, we have to find the equivalent fraction of both fraction with LCM as the denominator. Okay, we have to convert the fraction having the denominator as LCM. Next step, we have to subtract them as like fraction. In the second step we got two like fraction. Okay, so after that we have to subtract them as like fraction. So here is an example, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Okay, we have to find 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So in the first step we have to find the LCM. LCM 4 and 5 is 4 5 it is 20. Next step, we have to convert each fraction into their equivalent fraction having denominator as LCM. That means here we have to convert that to 20. So here the fraction is 3 by 4. So we have to multiply 5. Okay, 4 5 that is 20. I have multiplied 5 in the denominator. So we have to multiply same 5 in the numerator also to get the equivalent fraction. So 3 5 that is 15 and 4 5 that is 20. So the new fraction become 15 by 20. Now come to second one, we have to convert 1 by 5 into their equivalent fraction. So 5 4 that is 20. I have multiplied 4 in the denominator, so we have to multiply same 4 in the numerator also. So 1 4 that is 4. Clear? So the another fraction become 4 by 20. Here we got the two fraction, that is 15 by 20 and 4 by 20. Next step is we have to subtract. Here we got two like fractions, so we can subtract them as like fraction. So we have to subtract 15 minus 40, that is bigger number minus smaller number, that divided by same denominator, that is 20. So 15 minus 4 it is 11, that divided by same 20. Clear? So in this way you have to subtract any unlike fractions. Now come to subtraction of mixed and improper fraction. See here you have to follow these steps. First we have to convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay, then you got two improper fraction. So after that, we have to subtract them as subtraction of unlike fraction, as you have already discussed in the previous slide. So you have to subtract in the same way as subtraction of two unlike fractions. Okay, thank you.